In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade 3x leveraged tokens on Kucoin without the risk of liquidation. This trading strategy allows you to go long or short, providing a flexible investment approach. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, navigate to the Kucoin website. It's your gateway to exploring a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading opportunities. If you haven't already, ensure you have a Kucoin account set up. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login option. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your account. This step is essential because you won't be able to trade without being logged in. Now that you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself back at the Kucoin homepage. From here, you need to head over to the derivatives section. This is where you'll find various derivative trading options that Kucoin offers, including leveraged tokens. Understanding derivatives is crucial as they allow you to engage in trades without owning the actual asset itself. Once you're in the derivatives section, look for the option labeled Leveraged Tokens. Click on it, as this will direct you to the specific page dedicated to leveraged tokens. Leveraged tokens are unique because they offer leveraged exposure to cryptocurrency markets without worrying about margin maintenance or liquidation risks. Next, you'll see the option for Kucoin leveraged tokens. Click on this to enter a detailed space where you can explore all available leveraged tokens. Here, the focus is on providing you with various trading options without the typical risk associated with leverage in other trading environments. Now, let's zero in on the option that says 3x. By selecting 3x, you're opting for tokens that are 3 times leveraged. This means that your exposure and potential gains, or losses, are amplified by a factor of 3 compared to holding the underlying asset directly. Trading with leveraged tokens at 3x can be advantageous if you anticipate a clear market direction. As you engage with 3x leveraged tokens, always keep in mind the importance of market research and risk management. While the absence of liquidation risk is a notable benefit, the leverage still entails amplified price movements. Be sure to explore various market analyses and set stop losses where possible to protect your investment. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the know-how to trade 3x leveraged tokens on Kucoin safely and effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to explore the platform and test your strategies with careful consideration. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!